and welcome to the Learn French Easily channel. In this lesson, we'll study how to pronounce the letters CN when they turn up together in a word. This time again, we will adhere to the rules, which are quite simple to follow. So let's look at the first rule. If the letters CN are followed by a consonant, or if they are at the end of a word, they produce a nasal sound on, not an, but on. And now let's go to the examples. Un accident, un accident. La défense, la défense. Commencer, commencer. Une expérience, une expérience. Le gendre, le gendre. Une intention, une intention. Le mouvement, le mouvement. Dépendre, dépendre. Le moment, le moment. Une urgence, une urgence. Attendre, attendre. Comprendre, comprendre. La présence, la présence. Comment, comment. Cependant, cependant. La dépense, la dépense. The second rule, if the letters CN are followed by a vowel, then each letter is pronounced separately. The letter N we pronounce N, and the letter E can be pronounced either A or it is mute depending on its position in a word. If it is in the first syllable or at the beginning of a word, we pronounce it A. If the letter E is in the middle of a word between two consonants, usually it is mute or soundless. And now let's look at the examples. Amener, amener. Revenir, revenir. Promener, promener. Le genou, le genou. Un avenir, un avenir. Prévenir, prévenir. Retenir, retenir. Ramener, ramener. Le chenal, le chenal. Advenir, advenir. Un arsenal, un arsenal. The last rule, but not the least, if the letters CN are preceded by Y or I, or in other words, if we have Y plus EN or I plus EN, then the letters Y and I are pronounced Y. And the letter combination EN is pronounced an, not en, but an. So altogether it is yan, yan. Let's get to practicing this. Le chien, le chien. Combien, combien. Bien, bien. Moyen, moyen. Bientôt, bientôt. Bien, bien. Tiens, tiens. Sien, sien. Now I'm going to recap the rules one more time. If the letters en are followed by a consonant, they are pronounced en. Agence, comment. If the letters en are followed by a vowel, then each letter is pronounced separately. The n is pronounced n, and the letter e can be pronounced either a or it is yud. Amener, advenir. If we have the combination yen or ien, it is pronounced yen. Combien, combien. So that will be all for this lesson. I hope you have enjoyed and learned something. Till the next lesson, just keep on practicing. Have a nice day and hope see you soon. À bientôt.